So, when generative AI first came in the hands of people like us, that is around 2 years ago, the initial reaction was mint lots of images, then make children's books, then sell the book on Amazon and make money. And then when ChatGPT came, it was like write children's stories or any story for that matter, become a fiction writer, then sell your books, that is written by ChatGPT, of course, and then make money with that, and then retire overnight and then travel the world. So, simple retired life and just chill and earn. So now we have 2024 here, and let's see if there are some more innovative ways to use ChatGPT or not. So, how to use ChatGPT to make money? 2024. Ever since OpenAI launched ChatGPT, things have changed dramatically in the tech landscape. The OpenAI large language model is so powerful that it can do multiple things, including creative work like writing essays or stories, number crunching, code writing, and more. And yeah, code writing means basically take away tech programmers' jobs and also lots of other jobs. People are now using ChatGPT's insane AI capabilities to make money on the side. Yeah, and this is the main part. Other things are simply for time pass. If you are also in the market for making some tidy profit with the chatbot, keep reading as we show you how to do just that. Yeah, that's why we are all here for. So, how to make money with ChatGPT? Number one, build an app or website. So, why learn programming? You can simply use ChatGPT to code. There is no need to learn programming anymore, folks. Okay. The next best way to make money with ChatGPT is by building a product. And for this, you don't need to learn to code. ChatGPT can help you translate your ideas into real products, step by step instructions on how to use frameworks, toolchains, and programming languages. Yeah, and that's what I'm saying. You are now a Java developer, a Python developer, a JavaScript developer, a Rust, Ruby, and all kinds of developers with ChatGPT. You are now a ChatGPT developer. You don't need to learn any programming language for that matter. Just ask ChatGPT and you will get the results. Remember when Ihor Steferuk, a Ukrainian entrepreneur, built a Chrome extension with the help of ChatGPT, having zero knowledge of programming. What's more, he made $1,000 within 24 hours of launching the extension. That's bonkers, right? Yeah, so when he can do it, you can also, right? So don't learn to code, just learn ChatGPT, and that's more than enough. And yeah, so this is an example. So write a Python program for fitness platform. It should have the option to add necessary metrics. So yeah, and as you can see, ChatGPT is beautifully minting out code, and you can definitely use this code in production. There will be no issues. I mean, I can assure you of that. I mean, trust me, bro. There will be no issues. You can become a solopreneur and build a business in a matter of hours. And I mean, there should be something in the brackets that you don't need to learn to code or any hire any programmers for that matter. I mean, ChatGPT will take care of the job. If there is some error, you can again ask ChatGPT, right? Want to build a cool looking HTML page? Yes, yes, you can become an HTML developer also now. I mean, HTML is the world's best programming language for that matter. I mean, all kinds of pages and everything you see, it's all HTML, right? Other kinds of programming languages come much later. Ask ChatGPT. Want to integrate Stripe for easy checkout? Ask ChatGPT. Get errors along the way? Again, ask ChatGPT. You can very well ask ChatGPT to debug the code also. Yeah, so why worry about the errors? You don't need developers. You simply can use ChatGPT. That said, I would recommend subscribing to ChatGPT Plus in order to access GPT-4. So if you're wondering how to use ChatGPT-4 for free, there's no way to do so without paying the premium price, and honestly, it's worth it. ChatGPT-4 is good at code generation and can find errors and fix them instantly. While you don't have to be a programmer, a basic understanding of logic would help you what the code is doing. To sum up, if you want to use ChatGPT to make money, go ahead and build a tech product. Yeah, and frankly speaking, even I was using ChatGPT 4 for some time, and it's definitely better than ChatGPT. But I cancelled the subscription after maybe 6 months. I'm not saying it's a bad product. It's definitely, if you are building a business with ChatGPT and if you're running your code in production, it's definitely worth it. But I'm saying from my personal experience. That's all. Second thing, create logos and illustrations. ChatGPT recently got support for DALI 3. And DALI, I'm sure you all know, is the image generation platform of OpenAI. So DALI. I haven't used this one for long, so I don't know how it works now. So DALI 3. Yeah. So I believe the previous one was DALI 2, and now we have DALI 3. And as you can see, we have such beautifully crafted images. You simply have to write a prompt and you will have a beautiful image like this. And yeah, that's all. I mean, why why pay artists when you can simply mint out AI images, right? And ChatGPT recently got full support for DALI 3. With its addition, it has gotten even more versatile and useful. You can create AI images with ChatGPT and generate logos, illustrations, and sketches. You can run a professional service and create logos for companies and digital firms. The best part is that it just takes a few seconds to generate ideas modeled on your concept. You don't need to master Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, or Figma, or anything for that matter. You just don't have to do anything. You just have to talk. I mean, right, in this case. With the help of ChatGPT, you can generate cool looking logos and make money as your secondary income. Why secondary? You can make money as your primary income and leave your job and travel the world. Yeah, it's so simple, right? Okay, the next thing is get business ideas from ChatGPT. Yeah, this is very important. We don't have to do any market research or try to find what kind of product will work in the market or not. We can simply ask ChatGPT once again because ChatGPT is our all-knowing guru, right? ChatGPT is basically trained on maybe how many terabytes of data? Let me ask Google only because I believe for this purpose we still have Google. So how many terabytes of data was used to train ChatGPT? And now I believe Gemini, no, not Gemini. I think Google is giving answer that we have 45 terabytes of data that was used for training of ChatGPT, and that means how much? If your computer has 1 terabyte of full data, and I'm sure you are not fully using it, so it's like 45 such computers. I mean, frankly speaking, it's a lot because this kind of data is actually in the string format. So it's a lot of data. So no human being can have that much data. So no human being can know as much as ChatGPT does. So yeah, just trust ChatGPT. You can blindly trust them. To make money using ChatGPT, you must use it to its full potential. In case you are unaware, ChatGPT is good at churning out new ideas for passive income. For example, you can run below prompt in ChatGPT to ask about side hustle ideas depending on your preferences. Okay, so the prompt is I want to start a side hustle using ChatGPT. I want to take advantage of your technology, but I'm not sure where to start. Please ask me as many questions as you like so you can help me with your best ability. And let's see. Okay, this is very small, I guess. Uh, what happened? Yeah. So let me try to open this image so that we also see what kind of ideas we are getting from ChatGPT. Let me zoom it in. So, so sure, starting a side hustle with ChatGPT or similar language models is exciting prospect. I will guide you through a series of questions to better understand how you can. Okay. So yeah, you should definitely and like give proper answers to these questions. Like otherwise, how will the AI be able to help you? They are not stupid like you, right? They are very smart people, so you have to ask them smart questions. You cannot simply ask that, give me some ideas. They have to know the context where you are coming from, and sometimes one kind of business is good for one place, and I mean in Pokemon, as Professor Oak says, right, there is a time and place for everything, so they have to know all of these things, so they cannot simply just give you ideas like that. Okay, so I think text is huge here also, but I believe this is not half bad. Okay, let me make it 125. I think previous one is good only. Okay, last and number four, we have create an AI chatbot. And after the launch of ChatGPT, the demand for AI-assisted chatbots has gone higher. Business companies, educational institutions, apps, and individuals want to train the AI on their own custom data and create a personalized chatbot. You can earn a good money if you learn how to train an AI and create a cool front end. Stripe has already created ChatGPT-powered virtual assistant that understands its technical documentation and helps developers by answering questions instantly. The best part is to create AI chatbot, you don't need to be a programmer. You can ask ChatGPT to help you with it as well. Ask it how to create an AI chatbot using Python, and it will start giving you suggestions. So yeah, so basically, you open the bottle and the genie comes out, and the genie says that you only have three wishes. You cannot have four, and so use your wishes wisely. And you ask for 50 more wishes. So it is something like that. So you ask the chatbot to give you another chatbot, and maybe which is smarter than the original one. You can use the OpenAI API to find relevant information from the index.json file quickly. I mean, you can do all of this technical stuff, and if you are stuck, you can again ask ChatGPT. It's like that only. And lastly, you can simply become a prompt engineer. So, something that the first 4 points have taught you is that you have to know how to write prompts at least. Like, you must know how to talk and write. That's the basic level skill. Like, this is something that we have from Stone Age. You cannot forget this one. This is not something that you can ask ChatGPT. You know, at least you should know how to ask. So and that is the last thing that you can become a prompt engineer. So basically one engineer that comes up with interesting questions. So because in the world of AI, whoever asks the best questions is a winner. The best AI tools on mobiles and even the best ChatGPT alternatives have their own nuances. If you're someone using AI image generators, the process actually using them can even get harder. This is because AI, while smart, can be dumb if you are not given the right prompts to work with. However, browsing across the internet, you must have seen folks compiling a variety of prompts and selling them. Furthermore, you might even see people offering courses on AI prompt engineering. And yeah, you should definitely take those courses because what are your savings for? Your savings are for your education, your health, and everything, right? And this is such quality education. You will buy a course that will give you hundreds of questions that you can ask ChatGPT, and that will make you a multimillionaire, a billionaire, and whatnot. You can retire overnight, and you can travel around the world, right? So yeah, just give up all your savings and buy the courses. Yeah, I mean, it's absolutely worth it. I can assure you. Provided you have a surgical knowledge of AI and its use, you can become a prompt engineer and make use of ChatGPT to make money for you. So that the audience out there that requires detailed yet concise prompts to use Midjourney to generate AI art. So that you can create good art. That's it. And so that's why you should take all these courses, right? Because they are being delivered by experts. So we have some machine that came 2 years ago, and definitely we don't know how to use this machine because it's a new machine, right? How do we know how to use this one? So what we should do, we should learn from experts who already knows how to use the machine, right? Because it's a new machine, nobody knows how to use the machine, so we shouldn't break the machine, right? So we should learn from experts and then only use the machine. So yeah, so oh, I believe they have some few more extra points also. So create videos. So there are many niche and sub niche categories on the internet which are yet to be explored. You can ask ChatGPT to come up with video ideas in a particular category. After that, you can ask it to write a script for the YouTube video as well. So yeah, basically, and you also have some other AI like Picture AI or InVideo.io. Like, I mean, you should check it out for yourself. I know I have used them before, but just just check it out for yourself. I would say they're good products, definitely. But yeah, how much money they can make compared to ChatGPT, that I am not very sure of. So anyway, it's up to you to quickly create videos, and I mean just create videos in a flash. That's it. And yeah, this is also there are suggest me 10 niche categories of YouTube that I should and let's see what are the niche categories they have. And so you have micro travel. Instead of covering entire cities or countries, focus on a tiny off the beaten path locations or singular attractions. So it's like the alley that I take to come to my home. That can be a popular micro travel destination because I shouldn't be traveling the whole city because there are lots of blogs on the whole city where I live. But the alley that I used to come to my home, I'm sure nobody has done a video on that. So that could be one. And then historical cooking. Recreate dishes from different historical periods or okay, anyway, I'm not very good at cooking, so I'm not sure if I can do something or not. But anyway, you can see these are very unique and novel ideas, and you should definitely work on them. And apart from that, you can create video content on topical events and monetize the content. For example, reaction videos are popular on YouTube. Yeah, and this is correct. This is something that even I'm learning from ChatGPT, and I'm making this reaction video as a result of that. And then we have videos creation with Canva plugin. So yeah, I believe you know that in Canva, there are some plugins with which you can create lots of videos. So I have another YouTube channel that I'm not sharing in this video, of course, because that channel, I mean, it's not running well. And there I used to do these things like I used to create 50 videos with a single template from Canva, and these were like 50 shorts videos regarding some stuff. And that is something you can do. And I'm starting a motivational channel on YouTube. Give me 10 motivational quotes around determination and persistence. The difference between the impossible and the possible in a person's determination. Okay, so I think we have 10 motivational quotes. I mean, yeah, you can get everything from ChatGPT, and we have ebooks writing and publishing. Yeah, so basically use ChatGPT to write a story and then publish the book. According to Reuters report, with the launch of ChatGPT, AI-written ebooks have seen a significant boom on Amazon. This is because writing and conceptualizing new ideas has become much faster with ChatGPT. People here are using ChatGPT to write ebooks on many relevant niche topics and selling them directly on Amazon using the Kindle KDP. So actually, even I have a book on Amazon, KDP, but it's definitely not written by ChatGPT. It's about AI, but not written by AI. I can say that. And from children's ebooks to motivational lectures and many other things. And lastly, become a data analyst. So we are going to more technical stuff now. So I mean, I believe they are trying to say that become a data analyst using ChatGPT, not to learn data analysis or anything. If they are saying otherwise, I will be disappointed. And lastly, you have freelance and content creation. So finally, you can freelance in any domain. You can use ChatGPT on the side to make money. So basically, ask ChatGPT to do anything new. So now you are basically an all-knowing god. I mean, it's not like that. You are a god with an all-knowing intern. You can say. And so just the sky is the limit that you have ChatGPT with you right now. So yeah, so I believe that now we have some more innovative ideas compared to when ChatGPT initially came, when everybody was in a panic mode and not sure what to do, what not to do, and how to do or what to do. So yeah, that's it for this, folks. And you be the judge. You be the judge. What you should be doing after reading through all of these things. And yeah, if you want to discuss with me anything regarding tech or just anything in general that is happening in tech or programming or I mean, as I'm saying, just anything. You can join my Discord server. I will keep the link in the description below. And for this video, that's it. And I will see you next time.